Hello my dear students. Today we are going to start unit number 2. First poem of unit number 2, 2.1, Vocation. Okay, Vocation. It is a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore, who was the Nobel Prize winner. In this poem, Rabindranath Tagore describes the innocent wishes of a school children, innocent wishes of school children who who earn for figure from a rule of daily life. Okay, rule or freedom means he want to be a freedom from the rules of daily life. Means that school child want a freedom from his daily life that Rabindranath Tagore going to describe in this poem. Okay. Now before going to learn this poem, we are going to learn the warming up question. First question. Pick out the words that refer to means of living and fill them in the web. Means here are given some words that we have to fill in the web. Means which has the same meaning. Okay. Means first word is there vocation. Means vocation is given there. Then similar word are synonyms for the vocation or means of living. We can add there. Means see, first word is profession. Yes, it is means of living. Recreation. No. The next word is occupation. Yes. Okay, right there. Occupation. Job. Yes. It is also means of living. Then pastime. No. It is not means of living. Employment. It is also means of living. Okay. Employment. Then hobby. No. Hobby is not a means of living. Then career. Career is it is related to means not related to. Okay, it is means not similar for vocation or profession. Then next is entertainment. It is also not related to means of living. Then mission. Yes, mission is related to means of living. Trade. Yes, trade also. Business. Yes, business also. Sports. No, sport is not means of living. Then retirement. No. Okay, like this way. And placement, it is also no. Means these are the words, some words we are means of living. Then next question, use a good dictionary. Find the shades of difference in the following. Means is a find from these words meaning from the dictionary. Find the shades of difference. Means what is the different shades of this word? Means little difference of meaning in this word. Profession refers to means it is referred to the occupation. It is means it is referred to the occupation which involve training and formal qualification. Formal qualification. For example, teacher is a profession. For that there is need a formal qualification. Okay. Or doctor, it is also profession. For that also there is need a formal qualification. Then only we get the doctor. Means then only you will become a doctor. Or if you take that formal means degree, then only qualification, then only we get that means you are able to do that profession. Okay, teacher, doctor, lawyer, these are the profession. Then vocation means it refers the occupation for which a person is specially suited. Person specially suited or trained or qualified. Means specific persons only. For example, carpenter. He is trained for that occupation. Understood? Means he take that specific education related to carpenter, or he trained by that work Okay. And then it is means it is a vocational degree. It is a vocational qualification related for that vocation. Okay, means it is little different from profession. Then business. Business refers to the activity buying or selling goods or services. Okay, means it is related to, for example, factory work. Okay, or any commercial activity. Means which is tells us about the business. For example, industry, factory. Means these are the business. Okay. The next is occupation. Occupation refers to a person's usual or principal work, especially means of earning or living. Okay, occupation. For example, occupation means those who are selling the bangles. It is means it is occupation. Okay, or those who have means doing the work of mason. These are the occupation. Okay, mason work, or those who are selling the stencils. These are the occupation. Means they are, and those who are selling door to door. For example, when that time we are saying that it is a vocation. It is a vocation. But when that person has a shop, that time it is occupation. Then next, when a word is formed from a sound associated with it, it is called an onomatopoetic word. Here onomatopoeia, figure of speech. We already learn about that figure of speech. See, here is given means some words, specific word, onomatopoetic words. Bang, tap, tinkle, crash, whistle. Means these words refer the sound. These words refer the sound. So means associated with specific sound. Okay. For a C means if an onomatopoetic word occurs in the line of a poem, the figure of speech is in that line in onomatopoeia. Means these words are in the poetic poem's line. That time this figure of speech refer the onomatopoeia. Now write down 8 to 10 onomatopoetic words of your own. Okay, onomatopoetic words of your own. Means bang sound is there, tap sound. Okay. Means for example, if there is a buzz sound means buzz sound or clapping sound, hiss means snake sound, it is hiss, or purr sound, it is cat, refer to cat, or chirp sound, bird sound it is. Okay, chirping sound of bird, or purring sound of cat, clapping means human being clap when you are clapping. Bird sound, it is related to housefly or honeybee. It is means that refer to birds sound. Hall means that it is refer to fox or wolf. Okay, means like this way quack sound made by duck. Okay, means these are the specific sounds. Means related to, okay, means specific sound refer when that specific sound or poet used in the poem, that time this figure of speech is called onomatopoeia. Okay, thank you.